I'm an existing YouTuber. Today, we are going to be playing okay, is it gonna sing? Sing to me. Oh, I hear noises, there's no sing. Okay. I was gonna you saw it, but it was supposed to do the dee. What is this? Oh. Yeah, I remember this, I think. Anyways. It does something weird. I'm looking through this for some reason. Wait, can't I, like, pop those or something? There's out of my way. Wait for another one. Yes, I can make them go boom boom. Anyways. Nah, not right now. It has all the things. And maybe if I'm strong enough, I'll do that. That's bonus. I have not unlocked anything. Bonus. I don't think anyone will. I'm mumbling. I am very sorry for my mumbling. Why did I do that? I got that. Okay. That seems simple enough. And I'm going to slaughter this piggy. See? Dead. Instant kill. Yay, a high score. No. No. Hello again. So that was an advertisement. Made me angry. This is the second one. I've been doing a little bit of work on this, because why not? And I got in a little snail mate, and where I had no more birdies. And I don't think that is current either. Huh. Well, everyone knows what that means. We gotta see. Wait. So, I need 10 more coins. How do I get the 10 more coins? Well then, my friend. Wait. Can I give it? No, I can't. I thought we can for some reason. Oh, Goose is sealing me. Wait. Do I have any rewards from this? I haven't seen yet. Here are all the characters, what you can do in that one. This one, I've only locked this one. I already did this. I'm gonna do it again because it gave me coins. And where's that box up there? Did that give me coins? I'm being texted. What do you want? Oh no, it's just... pretend that didn't happen. Anyways. Wait. If I redo this... Okay, I already got it. That's great. So that means... I can do this and that, and they'll be dead, and that's gonna go right over there, and it's gonna pop damn tigers, and it's gonna basically wipe out everything over here, and then I can shoot this one more time. See? It's possible. With a little bit of hope, there's everything. Well, I was supposed to tip over. Oh, actually. Oh, thank you. Why, thank you, kind sir. Well, I need to get teleports. Yay! Let's get a bonus 5 coins. Watching advertisements for useless things. They're so desperate these days. No, I don't want to become the king. Not right now. I'm already the king of something else called my YouTube channel and myself. Okay, I need to play this one more time. So. I wasn't grabbing onto my hand, and it did that, and it was weird, and I was freaked out. Maybe it would have been a better choice to... Let's retry that one. Yeah, that's great. Great job going there, buddy. Oh, bow, blah. Since when was there TNT down there? That just caught my eye. Never knew that. Should try that. No, get out of here. There. Oh, hey. This isn't working for me. There we go. Wow. Didn't mean to make it that good, but okay. I think I got a new high score. I hope y'all like that ad. I'm going very silent because I want you guys to enjoy just a silent playthrough of a game. Now I can melt. Oh yay. But what do they do? Sadly, I cannot watch an ad because it will do something weird with my game. What? Oh, now I know what I have to do. I have to go to the dark side, the pork side. Oh, one of these guys are my favorite. Those are not as big explosions as I remember them to be, but alright. Okay, I have to play it smart with this one. That was dumb. I'm a bleeping idiot. What have I done? No. I'm going to try, attempt to purchase, not to purchase, to watch an ad. I bet you it is not going to work. I'm just going to shut off my game. No! You're lying to me. I smell lies. Get away from me, you goose. Get out of here. Uh-oh. I told you what would happen. Anyways, first of all, before I end the video, do you want to see any of these video games? Minecraft? Because I have a feeling a bunch of you are going to say Minecraft. Poland Ball, Not Safe for the World. BitLife. Bad Piggies again. Angry Birds Space again. Angry Birds Star Wars 2 again. Or just regular Angry Birds Star Wars. Which one would you like to see? Oh yeah, and look at the background right there. And Jupiter will be saying farewell. Farewell. Okay, farewell everyone. I am an existing YouTuber, and farewell.